English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Lose, produce, update. Lose. Lose is a verb. B1 learners usually know lose. At B1, to lose means to not have, to not win, and to have less of something. Here are some examples. He often loses his keys. It was a hard game and our team lost in the end. They are all trying to lose weight. Produce. Produce is a verb. B1 learners usually know produce. To produce is to make or grow new things. Here are some examples. They produce toys in the factory. She produces new ideas at every meeting. He has produced some interesting work. Update. Update is a verb. B1 learners usually know update. At B1, to update is to add new information. Here are some examples. Let me update you on that. They updated us with the latest information. The website is updated as needed. Now write some of your own sentences with lose, produce, and update. Download the free B1 workbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.